Now, Colin's fixing it.
Oh yeah, what's in my basket?
Now, play fair, guys. Colin, no touching it.
Yeah, I got it. Yes, I got it, mommy. Oh man.
Do you have one in your thing, Corbin?
Yeah.
He doesn't mean to. He's just trying to get it.
You got one.
Let me see, Corbin. Did you get one?
Yeah. Yes, I win, Mommy. I win, Mommy. No, you didn't. Not again.
What the hell is he doing?
Oh! Wait a minute. What? Oh, guess that's all of them. I'll do that again. I'll do that again. I'll do that again.
Who won?
Me, I got the most. See? I win! I win! You got two of them and I got like a lot. I got two.
Awesome. You both are winners. You both did a good job.
Yay! Yay! I'm the champion of elephant now. I'm the champion.